Install the head stop spacer onto the hinge housing, positioning it opposite the hanger rod cutout. Place the hinge housing into position. Use the spacer as a guide off the head stop of the frame. Use the thickness of your key to align the hinge housing with the head of the frame. Secure a screw into the center of the top slot on the hinge housing. Grab your 72-inch level again to make sure the hinge housing is plumb. Place a screw in the center of the bottom slot on the hinge housing. Fasten the middle screw on the hinge housing. Double-check the hinge is plumb with your level.